Let's now take a look at removing a color. Now this is most often used for green screening. You want to take the green screen out. But I want to show you, you can use this to take out other colors as well. So for example, if I wanted to apply the effect here to this paintbrush and take out that center part, I can say, all right, remove a color. It looks for this green by default. I say, no, not this green. Instead, let me find the color I want, and I'll pick this color. Now when I took that out, it took out all of the brown, not just that little bit of brown. So I can adjust these down, and I'll bring that softness down and bring that tolerance down. There we go. And so now it's just taken out that middle part. And if I were to move this, since it's taken that color out, it actually becomes transparent. Whatever's behind it, you can now see. And that's what we do for green screen. We'll take out that background and then we'll be able to see a different background behind us. Now I wouldn't want to use this on my video. You know, if I wanted to play around, I could say, well, yes, you know, remove the green of my shirt, and then you could see the computer background through me. That's not something I want to do, but if I did have a different colored background, I could select that color and remove it. Instead, what I want to show you is this lower third. Now, I would put somebody's name here on the lower third, and, you know, like name and title, for example. And I used to use an MOV file which had transparency. It doesn't have transparency anymore because QuickTime's no longer supported in Windows. Then Camtasia no longer supports it too. It just makes sense. So what I wanted to do was use this as a lower third to put over top of somebody, like over top of me speaking, for example. So if I drag this over here and I put it here, you can't see me at all. So instead what I would do is I would say, let's remove a color, and I want to remove it from here. And then I want to find that color. I use this to select the color from the image, and I'll choose the black. And now it took out everything else, and I can now add text over top of this. So then I could go to my annotations and find text and add it there. But this is an animated lower third, and so now I can have it fade in or fade out and have me behind it. So that's more of what you would want to use remove a color for. If you need to take a color out to get some transparency so that you have an animated lower third, for example, or if you had a green screen. Now you'll want to play with these tolerance and softness sliders to get the best picture you can. And remember to do just little adjustments to get the best picture.